What's good, YouTube, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Vincent, or you can also call me Vinny-forex. As you all know, I'm a forex trader. I'm trying to document my trading journey here on YouTube with you guys, take you guys through the ups and downs of being a forex trader at a very young age. So welcome once again to my YouTube channel, and I hope you had a happy new year. I know I'm supposed to have made a video wishing every of my subscribers a happy new year, but I don't know. I've been trying to figure out the problem that I'm gonna be working with this year. I've not been able to post any videos since the beginning of this year, but we are back now. We are back to trading. So regarding my trading, I want to share an update concerning my trading. So I bought two firms this year. I bought one with Naira Trader, a 200k Naira account with Naira Trader Prop firm, and a 5k prop account with the Fivers Prop firm. So on the Naira Trader account, I'm down 2%. I was risking 2% per trade. I'm down 2%. So what gave me the morale or the audacity to be risking 2%? Because normally I'm not supposed to be risking more than 1% of my capital on anything, whether prop firm, real, personal funds or something. So you get the lowest lot size is 0.01. Even after using the lowest lot size, my risk is always at 2% plus. So you get, so I've not been able to risk 1% on the Naira Trader account. So I took a trade last week. on CHF JPY, and I lost it. It was a buy. No, it was a sell trade. So I took a loss there, and it was on the Naira Trader account. So I'm down 2% on that account. By the way, today is January 23rd, and I'm making this video. This is going to be my first video since the beginning of this year. Sure you get. So welcome once again to my YouTube channel, and hope you enjoy my videos. So on the 5k account, I've not taken any trade there. I just recently bought the account 3 days ago. So I've not taken any trade. I've not seen any setup in the market yet. So I'm still patient. I'm waiting for my setup to show up before I take any trade. We are not taking random trade this year. It's part of the promise that we are going to make to ourselves. No room for mistakes. Sure you get. I want to be consistent this year with my YouTube. I used to post videos every weekend, but since the beginning of this year, today is 23rd. It's been 23 days now, and I've not posted any video more. And so it's part of the thing that I'm trying to work on. I'm trying to be consistent with my YouTube and my videos. Sure you get. And I pray God will help me. I'm only trading with two prop firms for now, and I pray that it all goes well. It will go well, sha. We go pass the accounts. No worry. We go pass the accounts. We go withdraw. No worry. Sure you get. So it's very, very possible. You just have to be disciplined and risk accordingly. So on the 5k account, on the Fivers, I'm only allowed to lose 10%. The maximum drawdown is 10%, which is about $500, and the max daily drawdown is 5%. Sure you get. So my plan is to be risking 1% per trade until I pass phase 1, and once I pass phase 1, I will still do the same thing on phase 2. But in the process of trying to pass phase 1 and phase 2, I go into a drawdown and I'm down 5%. like my total draw, if my total drawdown is around 5%, I'm going to be reducing my risk to 0.5 until I come back at break even. And once I come back at break even, I will start risking my initial 1% per trade. So what I mean is that if I'm risking $50 per trade and I lose 5 trades in a row, and that means I'll be down $250 on the account, on the 5k prop account, which is going to be 5%. Once I'm down 5% on the account, I will reduce my risk from 1% to 0.5% until I get back to break even. So once I get back to break even, I will continue risking my initial 1% per trade. So once I'm down 5%, I'll be risking $25 instead of $50. So you get, it's like part of my trading plan, and I'm trying to like implement it and be consistent with it in my trading. So regarding this year, like I'm not gonna lie, like I want to try out new things this year. I want to challenge myself. Like, you guys challenge yourself, shey you get, you guys challenge yourself. No dey do all this introvert rubbish, shey you get. I used to be an introvert, and it almost ruined my life, shey you get. As a young boy, I dey in my 20s, I dey do introvert. E no make sense now, shey you get. So I'm going to be trying out new things, and I also want to like start a TikTok account. I pray God help us, and we achieve all our goals. I'm going to be sharing my analysis. I'm going to show you guys the loss I took last week, the CHF JPY trade, and some of the trade that I'm planning to like take on my prop account. So stay tuned, and let me show you guys. Here's the CHF JPY trade. So this is the daily time frame. So I was waiting for price, I was anticipating for price to come down into this area and give me my entry signal on the lower time frame, like the 4-hour or the 1-hour. Give me an entry signal, then I will buy to the upside. So but I now decided to like take a counter trend trade. Let's go to the 4-hour. Let me show you guys. Here was the trade setup. So I was planning to like take a sell from this area right here to like sell into my higher time frame area of interest. So but as you can see, it did not happen. Price took me out and went in my direction, but it took me out first. I blame myself for this loss. Like I knew that price was already bullish. All I needed to do was to like wait for a retracement into my area of interest and buy, but I decided to take a counter trend trade, which is not good at all. So I blame myself for this loss on Bitcoin, and this is the 4-hour time frame. So I placed an order for this trade, but just on my 5k account. So I didn't place any order on the Naira Trader account for some reasons. I'm going to tell you guys later. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to like come down, trigger me, and go for my 1:2. That's what I'm anticipating. I'm anticipating for a buy on Bitcoin, but however, price has just been ranging around this area right here. This area, price has been ranging for like 2 days now, but price came so close before. So you can see price came so close to my entry and started ranging again. So I will still be patient. I still have the order. I still have it set on my prop account. I'm still waiting for it to be triggered. So we wait. So we are here on USD JPY, and I'm expecting a buy on USD JPY. So like this is like my trading setup, my A plus setup is just presenting itself on USD JPY. So like, but you can see this huge drop that happened today, being Friday. This huge drop right here, this drop, for me, is kind of like a liquidity grab. As you can see, there's a lot of liquidity around here. You can see this. Some people will be like taking trades from this other block right here, and some people also will be taking trade from this second other block around here, and the trendline traders trendline traders will also be around here looking for a setup. So that's why, for me, that's why we had this huge drop today on USD JPY. So this huge drop is kind of like a liquidity grab. So let me delete this first. And if you look below, you can see an unmitigated order block around here, and the fair value gap just around here, just close to my entry. So I'm expecting price to like tap into this area, this zone, this green zone, and move to the upside. And as for my target, um I normally go for 1:2, but I see more reasons to like hold this trade for up to 1:3.5. So let me show you guys. If you go to the daily time frame on USD JPY, you will notice that we had a higher time frame break of structure to the upside. So let me show you guys. Higher time frame break of structure to the upside. So the trend is still bullish on the higher time frame, and also presenting a bullish setup on the 4-hour time frame. So our target is going to be this high right here. So these are those type of trade that I normally hold, even if my risk to reward is always, I normally stick to 1:2 risk to reward. But this is like those type of trade that you have to hold to, like, that it's going to like get there. So I'm anticipating that price is going to come all the way up to this high right here for like 1:3.5. So that's what I'm expecting on USD JPY. So I'm going to like set this order very soon. Once I'm done with this video, I'm going to set this order on my prop accounts. So I'll try and I'll place the order on my 5K account and also on my Naira Trader account if possible. So that's it on USD JPY. I'm expecting a buy for next week, but I'm still going to do some research and know if I'm going to like hold the trade for that long. Normally my take profit is supposed to be around here. My take profit is supposed to be around somewhere around here. It's supposed to be somewhere around here, but I'm anticipating for price to reach this high and take out this high. So I'm going to hold this trade for as long as possible, and that's it for USDJPY. Then on US oil, US oil is very confusing at this moment. Like I was anticipating for a sell. I was anticipating for a sell like somewhere around here. Let me go to the 4 hours so that you guys can see it clearly. So I was expecting for a sell, like I will have my stop loss above this high, and as you can see, close price came to my entry point and gave us a reaction. But I was luckily enough, I was not on the chart to see this trade, so I did not take this trade. But if I had taken it, it would have been a loss. It would have been a loss. So I thank God that I didn't take this trade. So let's go to the daily time frame. Let me show you guys. So I marked out this high. Wait, this high is our, so this area right here is our trading range. So it's either price takes out this high, and we will be looking for reasons to, we will be anticipating for a retracement and into around this area and start buying, or price takes out this low. Price gives us our entry pattern, entry confirmation around this area, so that we can keep selling and take out this low right here. So it's either price gives us an entry reason around this area right here, for us to sell, or price takes out this high, and pulls back and pulls back into an area around here, so that we can continue buying US oil. So that's it for US oil. Then on GBPUSD was a very painful trade. So I saw a setup on GBPUSD. Price came into my area of interest and gave me a change of character. So I went down on the 1 hour time frame and I saw this setup right here. The setup, and I placed this order on my two accounts, the 5k prop account and the 200 naira trader account. So price was around there when I set the order. Price was around there. But however, price came so close to my entry and went straight up. It came down again, close to my entry, and started ranging before shooting all the way to the upside. Like, it went in my direction without triggering me into the trade. The pain well. See move now. See move now, like more than 1:5, 1:6. But it's fine. Sure. We keep going. So we missed out on this trade on GBPUSD. Then on USD I marked out this level, this area around here, and was waiting for price to like come into this area and give me my entry signal so that I can start selling. But just like what happened on GBPUSD, price came so close to my entry and started reversing. Like, Price came to close and started reversing, so I did not take this trade also. I did not take this trade. So price went down and took out my target low. So what I'm anticipating on this, the only reason that will make me to like take this trade again is if price comes back all the way up and takes out this high. This high will now be my liquidity point. This high right here will now be my liquidity point. Takes out the high, taps into my area of interest, and we continue selling. That will be the only reason why I will be interested in selling USD CHF for next week. So price needs to do one of these two things. Price has to like use this high as a liquidity point, then tap into my area of interest and sell. So that's it. So I only have two orders. I'm going to have two orders set on my prop account, which is going to be the Bitcoin trade, the Bitcoin trade, and the USD JPY trade, the USD JPY setup. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the post notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And I promise you guys that I'm going to stay consistent this year. I go to post video like steady. So stay tuned and subscribe. I beg, just touch that subscribe button. Nothing there. They stressful. Just touch and subscribe and like this video as well, because it really helps this channel grow. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you all next time. And God bless your trading. May we not take any losses, too much losses. Like losses go day, but may we not take too much. Sure you get. See you guys next time.